Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of ITIL 4 Sustainability in Digital and IT in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Understanding. The module teaches how IT services create a carbon footprint, giving users a solid foundation for sustainable ITSM. 2. Future-proofing. The module outlines the VUCA challenges for sustainable ITSM. This prepares businesses for future challenges in areas like strategy, procurement, and so on. 3. Perspective. The module teaches effective cost-benefit analysis to help businesses take an objective and measured approach to decision-making in sustainability. 4. Ease of use. The module builds on ITIL's existing guiding principles. This makes it more effective and efficient for ITIL users to integrate sustainability into their ITSM practices. And 5. Opportunity. Sustainability is not just about meeting targets. The module also prepares businesses to take advantage of new ideas, technology, and practices for more sustainable profits. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on ITIL, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.